Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about Tidio, especially if you're a beginner. Tidio is an incredible tool for managing live chats, automating customer support, and improving communication with your customers. If you're running an online store, a business website, or just starting out, Tidio can help you streamline your customer interactions. In this video, I'll guide you through everything you need to know about Tidio. First, we'll start with what Tidio is and how it can benefit you. Then I'll show you how to sign up for a brand new Tidio account. Next up, we will explore the Tidio dashboard to understand its core features and functionality. Finally, I'll show you step by step how to install the chat widget and integrate Tidio with platforms like Shopify, WordPress, and Facebook. So let's get started. First of all, if you are new to Tidio, you might be wondering what it is. So let me give you a brief overview. Tidio is an all-in-one customer communication platform that combines live chat, chatbots, and email integration. It's designed to help businesses engage with customers in real time, answer queries quickly, and automate repetitive tasks. By improving response times and offering personalized support, Tidio helps enhance customer satisfaction. It builds trust with your audience and ultimately increases your conversions for your business. Now, let me show you how you can sign up for a brand new Tidio account. To sign up for a new account in Tidio, go to tidio.com. Once you land on the homepage, click on the Start for Free button. You'll then be taken to the sign up page, where you have two options to create an account. You can either sign up with your email address or use your Facebook account. For this tutorial, we'll go with the email option, but choose the one that best suits your needs. Once you sign up for a new account, you'll need to personalize your account. Follow the on-screen prompts and customize your account settings based on your preferences. This may include adding your business name, selecting your industry, and choosing the type of support you want to provide. After personalizing your account, you'll land on your account dashboard. The Tidio account interface is clean, intuitive, and designed to help you get things done efficiently. When you log in, you'll see the main dashboard that provides an overview of your account activities and quick access to essential features. On the left side of the interface, you'll find a vertical menu that organizes the main features of Tidio. At the top is the dashboard, your central hub where you can view recent activity and get a summary of ongoing chats. Next is the inbox, which consolidates all of your customer conversations in one place for easy management. Below that is the Lyro AI chatbot section, where you can set up and configure AI-powered responses to automate customer interactions. Further down, you'll find Flows, a tool for creating and customizing automated workflows that simplify communication. The Customers tab allows you to manage contact details and access chat histories, helping you keep track of your audience. Analytics is another essential feature, providing detailed insights into metrics like chat volume, response times, and overall customer satisfaction. As you continue down the menu, you'll see the Finalize Setup section, marked by a bulb icon, which guides you through completing your Tidio setup for optimal performance. The Integrations tab, represented by a dots form square icon, lets you connect Tidio with platforms such as Shopify, WordPress, and Facebook. Finally, you have the Settings tab for adjusting preferences and notifications, and the Profile section for managing your account details or logging out. The layout is intuitive and ensures you can easily navigate the tools and features that will help you engage with your customers effectively. Each tab is clearly labeled and easy to navigate, making it simple to access the tools and information you need to engage with your customers effectively. Hey, quick interruption. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with you all. We've developed top-notch Notion templates to streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link down in the description of this video to check it out. All right, back to the video. Next up, let's discuss the Tidio chat widget. Installing the Tidio chat widget on your website is essential for engaging with your visitors in real time. It makes communication smooth, helps you connect with your audience, and enhances your customer support experience. To get started, click on the Dashboard tab in the left menu. On the dashboard, you'll find the Install Chat Widget button displayed. Click on it to proceed. This action takes you to the installation setup, where you'll need to connect the platform your website is hosted on, such as WordPress, Shopify, or other supported platforms. If your platform isn't listed, don't worry. You can opt for the manual install option, which allows you to add the widget code directly to your website manually. For example, if you're using Shopify, select it from the list and click the Connect to Shopify button. This will redirect you to the Shopify App Store, specifically to the Tidio Live Chat and AI Chatbots app. Sign into your Shopify account and click the Install button to link your Shopify store with Tidio. Once the setup is complete, the chat widget will appear live on your website, allowing you to start engaging with visitors and providing excellent customer support. It's that simple to get started and make meaningful connections with your audience. Next up, let me me show you how to integrate Tidio with other platforms so you can use it wherever you need it. With Tidio, you can easily connect it to various tools and services, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. To start, click on the Integration tab in the left menu. This will take you to the integration page where you can see several categories of platforms that Tidio can integrate. These categories include BI and analytics, communication channels, CRM, e-commerce, marketing automation, rating and review, and customer support. Below these categories, there's a My Integrations section, which shows you the platforms already connected to your Tidio account. Let's say you want to integrate Tidio with a platform under the communication channels category. Click on this category and you'll see options like Facebook, email, Instagram, and WhatsApp. For example, if you want to integrate Tidio with email, click on the email option. This will redirect you to a setup page with specific steps to connect your email account. Here's how to connect your email with Tidio. First, click the Connect Mailbox button. A pop-up window will appear where you can choose to create a new email or connect an existing one. For this tutorial, let's use an existing email. Enter your email address and click the Next button to proceed. In the final step, Tidio will provide you with a forwarding email address. Copy this address and open your Gmail account. Inside Gmail, go to the top right corner, click the gear icon and select See All Settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab. Here, click the Add a Forwarding Address button and a pop-up window will appear. Paste the email address you copied from Tidio and click Next. Afterward, follow the prompts to grant the necessary permissions to authenticate the connection. Once you provide the required permissions, your email account will be successfully integrated with Tidio. This integration ensures that all your email communications are seamlessly connected to your Tidio account, making it easier to manage customer interactions across multiple channels. Finally, let's discuss Tidio plans and pricing. Tidio offers several options tailored to different business needs. Starter plan costs $29 per month and is a good choice for small businesses. It helps improve customer satisfaction with live chat support, making it simple and affordable for those just starting out. Next, there's the Growth plan at $59 per month. This plan is perfect for teams that rely on customer service as a key competitive edge. It's packed with features to help you manage and improve your customer interactions effectively. For businesses needing more advanced capabilities, the Plus plan starts at $749 per month. This plan is designed for those who require additional integrations, advanced features, and premium support to scale the operations. The Premium plan costs $2,999 per month and is made for big, complex businesses. It offers advanced customization and dedicated support to handle the unique needs of large operations. With these flexible plans, Tidio ensures there's a suitable option for businesses of all sizes and goals. Tidio is an all-in-one customer communication platform that combines live chat, chatbots, and email integration. It's designed to help businesses engage with customers in real time, answer queries quickly, and automate repetitive tasks. By improving response times and offering personalized support, Tidio helps enhance customer satisfaction. It builds trust with your audience and ultimately increases your conversions for your business. And that's it for this tutorial. Today we covered everything you need to know about Tidio. We started with what Tidio is and how it simplifies communications. Then we walked through how to create your account. We explored the dashboard in detail, showing you its features and functionality. From there, we explained how to install the chat widget on your website, integrate Tidio with other platforms, and even connect your email account seamlessly. I hope this guide was clear and easy to follow. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more guides just like this. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with Tidio, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care.